Welcome back guys to our brand new video. That's your boy Luke. Today I will teach you 2 ways to cancel an order from the Plus Code. If you already pick up an order from the Plus Code, for some reason you don't want to continue with that order, you want to cancel that order, I will teach you 2 ways to do that. Make sure you follow the video until the end so you don't miss any step. Let's get started. Before I continue, I just want to show a simple way to decline any order. I got an order right here. You see shop and pay, and they're gonna pay me $2.50, and I'm gonna drive 2.3 miles and 16 items. I'm not gonna wasting my time to pick up this order. I'm just gonna go ahead and click in this X and to decline this order. This is all to decline any order. If you don't like this order, just go ahead and decline this order. Don't wait until it's gone. You just go ahead and decline this order. So let me show you the 2 ways right now to cancel any order after accepted. The first way to cancel an order, you're just gonna click in details, and after you click in detail, you're gonna click report issue. After you click in report issue, you're gonna see call support, chat with support. You're gonna ignore these 2 right there, and you're gonna scroll down until you found which one appropriate with your problem. So if you don't want to deliver this order, and you just click too far away, or you scroll down until you find order. It's depend. It's up to you to choose whatever appropriate with your problem, and you're good to go. The second way I'm going to show you how to cancel an order is for people already at the pickup location. So what I mean, if you already have the pickup location, so if the item is not available, so I'm going to show you how to cancel it and get paid for your time. So let's say you drive to CVS, right? And when you get to the CVS, you look for the item the customer order, and you ask somebody who work there. They say the item is not in stock right now. That means it's not available. So you're gonna cancel the order. But I'll show you how to cancel the order so you get paid for your time. So you're not gonna get paid the full amount, but you will get paid like $3 just to show up. So to do that, so you're gonna go to blue box that you see next to the customer name, and you're gonna click in the blue box. You're gonna see the item. So I got 2 items right here. The customer order is the same item. So I'm gonna click the first one. When I click in the first one, I'm gonna see they give me 2 options. The first one is unavailable, the 1 item found. So the item is unavailable. I'm just gonna click the first one. So, and I'm gonna do that for the second one as well. So, and then after I finish to do that, so you're gonna see something pop up right there. You say you can cancel the order. The customer wants you to cancel the order, the entire order. You will receive partial payment for this trip. So yeah, you see, you will receive partial payment for this trip. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna click continue, and after you click continue, you're gonna say cancel order or go back. So you're just gonna cancel order. You're gonna click and cancel order, and that's it. So this is all you will get paid $2. But if you use the first way I show you, you will get nothing. But remember, the second way to cancel the order is for people already at the pickup location. But if you are not in the pickup location yet, and you feel like you don't want to drive, you don't want to deliver this order, just cancel the order, or say too far away, and that's it. So but if you get at the pickup location, you want to get paid for your time, you're driving, so make sure you do this way I show you. The second way, that's the way you're gonna get paid, but it's only for when the item is not available. So remember that. So that's all I have for you for today, and see you to the next video. Make sure you subscribe, and don't forget to like this video. Peace.